Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Initial Solution. In this video, I'll show you how to delete all photos from Google Photos. So just go for your Google Photos and press a photo and just drag it to all of your photos on your Google Photos. Okay, so when you are done, just go for in this trash icon here, click on delete and just click on move to trash here. After that, you can delete all of your Google Photos from Google Photos. Hope this video helped you. If you did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.